For bite-sized videos when it comes to topics like WordPress and blogging? If yes, then Blogging Unplugged Clips is for you. Hello guys, I'm Jasmeet, and on this channel I will be sharing clips from my main channel Blogging Unplugged almost every single day. Now if you are into bite-sized informational content, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video.
Now coming to the first feature that has been introduced in Elementor 3.11, and that is the copy and paste feature. So here we are in the Elementor editor, and as you can see, what I have done here is I have added the heading widget and the text editor widget, and I have made no other changes. These are the defaults that come with it. Now understand it this way. If you had created a template or a design on a local website or on a test website and you wanted to import it to another website, then what you had to do was you had to save that section or that complete page as a template. Now in case you are looking to save a page as a template, then what you had to do was you had to click right here, save options, and it will give you the option to save it as templates. Now if you want to save a section as a template, then what you had to do was you had to right click this section and it will give you the option to save as template. Now when I will click this option, it will give me a pop-up like this. Now what I can do is I can enter the name demo and click save, and it will display it under the my template section, right? This is basically the templates library, and under the my templates you will get this demo option. Right now the next step is to basically export it as a JSON file that you can upload in another website. Right now, to download this as a or export it as a JSON file, what you have to do was you have to click these three dots right here, and it will show you the option to export. Now when I will click this option, you can see it has exported. Right now let me just close this modal. Right now if you had to import this JSON file into another website, what you had to do was consider this another website. You had to click this add template option right here, and then you need to click this import template option, and it will allow you to select a file, and then you can import it and then insert it into your website or into the Elementor editor. Right, so this was basically the process of doing things. Now this process is somewhat complicated if you are just starting out with Elementor. However, if you will do it twice or thrice, you will get the hang of the process. It is not that difficult, but it is not as simple as the copy and paste option, and that is why this option has been introduced. Now before I dive into the copy and paste option, let me tell you this import option still exists because this is the Elementor 3.11 setup that I am using, and this option will stay. Okay, so if in case you want me to create a video for this, make sure to comment down below and I will happily do it for you. Now coming back to the copy and paste feature. Now to show you this copy and paste feature, what I have done is I have created another setup where I have imported a template, and that template is what I am going to import here over here in this setup that I have for Elementor 3.11. So let me first take you to that editor and then we'll come here. So this is the demo template that I have imported from the Elementor template library. This is the new setup from where I will be copying and pasting basically the complete template and the sections into this website right here, which is pretty much empty. So I'm going to clear this for right now. Right now you can see it is pretty much empty, and now what we are going to do is we are going to import this template or basically copy that template from this website here, this setup here, and we are going to paste it right here. Now remember, as the name suggests, copy and paste, it is exactly what it says. It is copy and paste. Now remember one thing here, one thing you have to keep in mind. If you want to copy a section, then you will have to select this section. So for example, I am going to select this hero section right here. It completely selects this option, and then there is an option to copy, right? So I will click this option copy here. I will go here and I will right click and I will select paste from other site. Now when I will click this option, it will give me a prompt to click basically use the Control V option on my keyboard. Now this is based off of the OS that I'm using. I'm using Windows. If you are using Mac, then this would be Command V, right? So I am going to click Control V on my keyboard and it will start importing. You can see how easy it is. It has instantly pasted what I have copied from this website right here. Now what happens if I want to copy a complete template? Then what I will have to do is I will have to go down, click here, copy all content, right? You see this option, copy all content. I will click this. So it has copied everything. Then I will go here and I will paste from another site again. And then the same process, Control V. Now instantly it copies everything. So you can see there are two hero sections and rest everything is right here. It is as simple as this. I hope you understand it. In case you have any queries, comment down below. Now before we move to the next feature, there are two things. Yes, let's just say two things that you will have to know here. First things first, the website from which you are copying has to have the same version, has to have basically the version of Elementor that supports this feature, which is Elementor 3.11. Even if the version is Elementor 3.10, it will give you an error, right? So make sure on both sides you have at least version 3.11 for this feature to work, right? Second thing is this feature can at times be a bit glitchy because Elementor is working on it right now. For right now, you can see it worked perfectly, but when I was writing an article for this, it glitched, right? So I want to give you this heads up before you start trying this feature out. Okay, so make sure you give this feature a try. Let me know how it goes for you, and in case you have any queries regarding this, feel free to comment down below. I will most definitely will try to help. Also, if you want me to create the video on that topic about importing templates and exporting templates, I will be happy to do it for you, right? So make sure to comment down below.
Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. In case you have any queries, feel free to comment down below and I will try and help. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.